Hey everyone, back again with a very, very large pile of materials and supplies. So it's time to get to work. So what we're working on right now is getting this tongue and groove up on the ceiling. I've already got a little bit done already here. Um, and looks really nice. I like it. Still got to get the lights up. Um, I stagger my boards. I mean, I know you don't have to. I just like the look of it. So that's the way that I did it. So got to continue on with that. I got a couple of boards here that I'd already stained. I'm going to get them up and then we'll have to stain some more. Also was able to get these lights up here on the wall. Super happy how they look and how they turned out. The bed is going to be in between those two lights, and each side has its own switch. So that's pretty cool. So it's time to start getting this stuff put up. Hey, so back again. It's been a while. A lot of stuff has been going on. My mom, who's had her own business for probably like 35 plus years, maybe 40. She decided to retire, so I've been helping her clean out her building. And there's been some sickness and things going on. So, anyway, got all these boards stained. And so they need to get from here to there. So, I got a new stand for my phone for the camera. So we're going to try it out and see how it goes. So let's do it. Alright, well, as you can see, there are no boards left, at least none that I had stained. And I've made pretty good progress here. I think I was somewhere, I don't know, around in here, maybe where that middle board is, when I started, and made it all the way out here. I still have couple of pieces over there I can use, but it's starting to get late and got another day of work tomorrow. So anyway, we'll continue to work on this, and I will keep you updated. I also wanted to show you one more thing here. I was able to mount this breaker box. I had to take out a shelf to do it, but as you can see, got it mounted in here, and that's going to be for the AC power. So anyway, hope you guys are having a good week, and I'll catch you up as soon as I can.